start recording right now. Let me give you a call in a minute. Alright, later. Yo guys, Bobadilla Adventures here. Today I'm going to show you how to crack your phone, your girlfriend's phone, or your boyfriend's. Ooh, there's a lot of people that are going to hate me for this. I believe this is the easiest way. What do you think, man?
Yeah, it is the easiest way.
See, it is one of the easiest way to crack someone's phone, your own phone, if you forgot your code. So, let's go step by step. The first thing you need to do to crack your phone is, let me go outside real quick to show you. It is a beautiful day. Alright guys, whatever you find after the cracking on your wife, girlfriends, boyfriends, that will be up to you. Don't blame it on me. Alright? So, this is how you crack a phone easily. Alright? Let me put this right here. The way that you can crack the phone is just by... That's how you crack the phone. Stay tuned for more advices like this. Hasta te dolió, ¿verdad? Cuéntate.
De un solo.